Shopping is happening.
To the abyss he goes. It's going to be nicely full this time, I think.
Right, my camera is on the trailer. Hopefully it stays on the trailer. What a day. Come on, Gus. Whee! Meow. You saw a crow over there somewhere. Right, morning guys. Welcome back to a new video. Just finished mowing. First cut 2023. Lovely big field to finish in. There's about 7 hectares in here. This is our blue platform silage. Lovely stuff. Look how green that is. That'll be picked up in the morning. But for today, me and Gus, we're going to jump on a trailer. So we're going to go and unhang the mowers, put them in the yard somewhere, and we'll catch up with the forager. Now for those of you who watched yesterday's action, which would have been 2 or 3 days ago on YouTube, you'll know that I mullered one of these skids on a gate that was buried in the grass. Well, that is the new one on this morning. We fitted it, and seems to be doing the job. There's a bit on the corner there missing, but it's not bad enough to warrant changing. And we had to put a new blade on as well, so that's all good. The big machine, she's done very well the past few days. Put a lot of acres through those mowers. Try and get as much of this out now as we can. It'll only rot underneath it. Right, we're all trailered up. We've got Ross's trailer, which is Craig's brother. We borrowed his trailer for the day. Jack was using it yesterday, but he's off somewhere else today. So we're going to join in the fun. John's had a bit of an issue with little boots. There's an oil pipe burst underneath the cab somewhere. So he's back in the class tractor that we've had on demo. It's still here at the moment. So Hamley's very kindly let us use it again for the day. I'm excited to go and get a load of grass. Shopping is happening. Oh, best time of year, best time of year, best time of year.
So here comes Craig and Sexy Rexy. Phil's just turned up as well. I don't know if he's had his lunch. Just listen to the noise. Oh.
Phil's put his glass up in recognition.
So here's our outfit. Tractor and trailer. Gus. Hello Gus. You've moved your bed round somehow. Right, we're like the Ferrari F1 team, changing the wheels on the front of the Forager so we can get through this gap. Into the next field we go. John's been up and limbed up all this tree this morning, so we should all be able to get through all right. It was all overgrown. Big machine, narrow gap. Sounds good. Grass landing in the trailer anyway. We've hit traffic. It would appear we're a bit quicker than the big boots on the road there. That's Rex in front. He's indicating as well, which he won't realise because the audio buzzer thing on the relay is broken in that tractor, so he doesn't make a noise when you're indicating. All the lights work, just doesn't make a noise in there. But we're on our second load, so we're just getting into the swing of the routine here. Just past where John had to abandon the tractor with the oil leak, and I see Rich from Mason's is there, having a look at it. So he's got out to that one pretty smart. It was only about an hour and a half ago it gave up the ghost, so quick service from Mason's. Now those of you that watched the latest mowing video, so the one before this one, you would have seen me mowing a field that had an awful lot of rushes in it. Well, this is said field. As you can see where the tufts of rushes were, but it's actually cleaned up really nice. Where Craig and Rex are coming down the hill now, that's notoriously the worst part. Just there's actually a set of wheel marks over there where I dug in, where it's really quite wet, but we've managed to travel on most of it. Right, another new field. We're cracking on. Some nice stuff in here. None of the grass I've cut this year has gone to seed. It's all nice leafy stuff. This is where I hit the gate with the mower, so we might find a bit of metal. I'll be amazed if we don't. The gate was buried in this grass here, as you'd have seen in the last video if you watched it, which was this one. And where the mower attacked it on the end, there'll be some degree of fragments from that in that bit of grass, so no point trying to look through it. I just picked it up and chucked it in there. We did have one tine break on the pickup reel as well earlier, and it caught that one. I actually found that one in the pickup, go out and look for it. So the metal detector's pretty hot on that machine. Just have a look through Ross's trailer here. It holds a fair whack of stuff. It's quite handy for Craig as well, because we fit out the left hand side, as you can see. This one's got the greedy board missing this side, and it's on the other side, so Craig's got something to throw the silage against all the time when the load's getting rather full. Got quite a handy little spot here for the skid, and there. That's good. These wheels fading. Oh, they need respraying. To the abyss he goes. It's going to be nicely full this time, I think. Last year this one was way up high and we couldn't get any compaction on top, and the stuff that went in last was really dry. We're trying to mitigate that this year by putting some wet stuff in at the end. Good. Well, you guys can't see it. Big push.
Put it into float. Ross can heave that away and we'll head back to the field. This is fairly heavy in here. Rex hasn't got very far around the field to get a load. We've got a bit of room in the trailer yet, but we'll follow on behind. He's still indicating. I think he's probably been indicating since about 1:30 this afternoon. It's now 6 o'clock. That's Rex full. We're up. Hello, Forager. Just in time to watch Rex Tippler.
So I wish you could smell this. Absolutely proper, that is. Tipping. Level it off. Now this stuff should be a fair bit damper, which it is. That's good. Going on top of the pit, that'll pack it all in. That'll roll down really nice and tight.
Right, me and Gus are just up in the last field of the night. Forager's not here yet and it won't be here for a while. The guys are chopping just over below that field on the horizon. They're in underneath it. Craig can't get back with the Forager the same way we can with the tractors and trailers, so it's about a 25-minute route round for him. So me and Gus are just chilling out here for a minute. We'll have something to eat and drink. Yeah, I only cut this morning. Cut it really, really nice. Left a perfect amount of stubble. And it has dried out fair already, but plenty of green stuff in there to seal the pit with. Yeah, we'll just do a bit of housekeeping before the Forager arrives. Meow. It's like an Olympic hurdler, that dog. Dr. Phil's joined us.
How are you doing?
You might recognise him from such films as Barbecue Fennel.
It's a variety channel, Josh.
It is.
All human life is there. If you're interested, like and subscribe and visit. Always like your comments. There we go.
Get out of there, Phil. Check out that ass. Right, we're just loading up the last little bit out of the last field. Only three trailerfuls, yeah. Bruce had a trailer full, Rex had a trailer full. I'll have a trailer full by the time we finish. It isn't too bad at all. It will seal the top of that pit proper. It's quite nice damp green stuff here. Give it a blimmin' good roll for 20 minutes. Get some sheets on, I think. Well done. I know, I'm a bad YouTuber. I didn't film half of what went on after the last load last night, but there it is. A clump of grass.
There's somewhere between 600 and 700 tons of silage in there. It's hopefully fermenting away lovely. It smells incredible. Absolutely amazing.
So that was the farm clamps. We finished that up yesterday. And then today, I actually got my first full day chopping. behind the wheel of the Forager, which was just amazing. So thank you to Craig for letting me do that, because normally he drives it. He gave me a proper day's tuition on it.
And there she is, big girl. We've got some cleaning up to do on her in the morning, because it's all covered in additive and needs putting away properly anyway.
But yeah, first day using that one in anger. The idea is that if Craig's ever on holiday or away or whatever, when we want to do some silaging, I'll know how to use it, but definitely not as competent as I need to be, but yeah, got to learn somehow, haven't you? So that was awesome. One day we'll get some footage of me driving that. But anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Head down to the links below in the description for all my other forms of social media. We'll see you guys on another video very soon. Cheerio.
Like a truck that